Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best home security systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SimpliSafe 11-piece. I've been using the SimpliSafe 11-piece wireless home security system, Gen 3, with a wireless indoor HD camera for several months now, and it has exceeded my expectations in every possible way. From the effortless setup to the reliable performance, this system delivers exactly what it promises: simple, smart, and stress-free home protection. Right out of the box, everything is clearly labeled and extremely intuitive. I had the entire system unboxed, installed, and running in under an hour. No drilling, no wires, and absolutely no frustration. The base station and sensors sync automatically, and the app walks you through the process step by step. The included wireless indoor HD camera performs far better than I expected for a bundled camera. The video is crisp, the night vision is solid, and motion alerts arrive instantly on my phone. 2-way audio is a great bonus, allowing me to check in on pets or speak to someone at home. The entry and motion sensors are responsive and accurate. I've had 0 false alarms, and the system instantly notifies me whenever someone opens a door or enters a monitored space. The keypad is sleek and easy to use, but I mostly rely on the mobile app, which is fantastic. Number 2. tolviviov alarm system for home security. The tolviviov 15-piece home security system has far exceeded my expectations, especially considering the price and the fact that there are no monthly fees whatsoever. If you want an easy, reliable way to protect your home or keep an eye on kids and entry points, this system is an absolute standout. Setup was fast and hassle-free. Everything is wireless, and the app walks you through each step with clear instructions. I had sensors installed on doors and windows in minutes, and the motion detector paired instantly with the hub. No tools required, no complicated wiring, and no professional installation needed. The real-time app notifications are quick and reliable. Whether a door opens or the motion sensor picks up movement, I get an instant alert on my phone. It's perfect for monitoring kids arriving home, checking if someone opened a window, or simply having peace of mind when I'm away. The built-in siren is impressively loud, exactly what you want in a home security system. It should be enough to scare off intruders and alert everyone in the house. Connecting to Wi-Fi took less than a minute, and the app is surprisingly robust. You can arm/disarm the system remotely, customize sensor names, adjust sensitivity, and set up schedules. The interface is clean and intuitive. Number 3. Wyze Home Security Core Kit. The Wyze Home Security Core Kit is one of the best value-packed security solutions I've used. It's thoughtfully designed, incredibly easy to install, and integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Wyze ecosystem. For anyone looking for an affordable yet highly capable home security setup, this kit is a fantastic choice. Everything in the box is clearly organized, and pairing each device to the hub through the Wyze app is quick and smooth. The keypad mounts easily, the sensors stick securely to doors and windows, and the system is ready in minutes. No tools, no wires, no headaches. The Wyze app is one of the system's strongest features. It's intuitive, well-designed, and gives you full control, arming or disarming the system, renaming sensors, adjusting settings, and getting real-time alerts. Even for beginners, the interface is easy to use and understand. The motion sensor is responsive without being overly sensitive, and the 2 entry sensors work flawlessly. Notifications arrive quickly, and everything stays connected without random dropouts. It's a system you can trust. Number 4. Abode iota All-in-One Security Kit. The Abode iota is an easy-to-install all-in-one security system loaded with features including a 1080p camera, a motion sensor, multiple wireless radios, a built-in siren, and support for many third-party devices and platforms. The iota system we reviewed consists of a base station camera, a single door/window sensor, and a key fob for $379.99. The base station sports the same attractive black and white color scheme as the gateway hub in the Abode Home Security Starter Kit. It stands 7.1 inches tall and is 3.0 inches wide and 3.0 inches deep. Abode also offers an 8-piece bundle, $800, that comes with the base station, 4 door sensors, a keypad, a glass break sensor, a key fob, and 1 free month of pro monitoring. What's the difference between the iota and the Smart Security Kit? The Smart Kit Gateway is essentially just a hub. You have to add components like cameras and motion sensors to it. The iota base station is a hub and camera with motion sensors and two-way audio built in. You can also expand on it by adding components. Number 5. Arlo Home Security System. The Arlo Home Security System integrates with a whole host of first- and third-party devices to help you monitor everything from water leaks to unwanted intruders, plus offers a no-contract professional monitoring option. The Arlo Home Security System, starting at $199.99, seamlessly ties all of the company's cameras and doorbells together, as well as tons of third-party devices via iota. The versatile DIY home security system is easy to install, offers a professional monitoring option, and incorporates unique multifunction sensors that can detect anything from motion to water leaks to freezing temperatures and more. It's a good value if you already own or are planning to purchase Arlo smart home devices, though you do have to pay extra for cellular and battery backup capabilities. The SimpliSafe home security system, starting at $249.95, remains our editor's choice winner in this category because it includes both of those features at no extra cost, and its professional monitoring plan is cheaper.